Welcome back to Trend Secrets. When you have a small backyard, every inch counts, but that doesn't mean you can't turn it into a lush and beautiful garden. With smart planning, even the tiniest outdoor spaces can become your favorite corner of the house. Today, we'll explore creative and practical ideas to help you design a stunning small backyard garden. Start by understanding the space. Look at the sunlight patterns, your soil type, and the natural layout. Knowing where the sun hits the hardest and what areas stay shaded will guide your plant choices and help you plan different zones for seating or planting. One clever idea is to go vertical. When you don't have much horizontal room, take advantage of your walls and fences. Use hanging planters, wall-mounted pots, or a vertical pallet garden to grow herbs, flowers, or small vegetables. It adds layers and texture without crowding the ground. Container gardening is another great solution. Stylish pots of different sizes allow you to move plants around easily and control their growth. You can also use raised beds for better organization, drainage, and to avoid bending down too much while gardening. To give your garden a structured and cozy look, define pathways using gravel, stepping stones, or wooden planks. These small walkways not only make your garden look more spacious, but also help guide the eye and foot traffic naturally. Incorporate a small seating area. Just a bench or a couple of foldable chairs can do wonders. If there's space, a bistro table adds charm. Surround your seating with planters or climbing vines for a private and serene experience. Choose plants wisely. Go for a mix of evergreen shrubs, flowering plants, and foliage of different heights. Compact or dwarf varieties are perfect for small spaces and can bring in seasonal color without overwhelming the area. Add levels by using plant stands, tiered planters, or hanging baskets. This trick creates dimension and gives the illusion of a fuller, more dynamic garden without needing extra square footage. Lighting makes a big difference. Add fairy lights, solar, powered garden stakes, or lanterns to highlight key areas and allow you to enjoy your garden in the evenings. Lighting also adds magic and charm after sunset. Use mirrors strategically. A weather-resistant mirror placed against a wall can make a small garden appear twice its size. It reflects light and greenery, making the space feel brighter and more open. If you want a more modern or minimal look, go with geometric layout ideas. Use clean lines and choose just 2 or 3 colors for your plants and pots. Simplicity often makes a small space feel more organized and calming. Don't forget the vertical charm of climbing plants like jasmine, bougainvillea, or clematis. These not only add beauty, but also cover plain walls or fencing with natural green artwork. Finally, remember your garden should reflect your style and bring you joy. Whether it's a modern green retreat or a colorful bohemian escape, let your creativity shine and enjoy every moment spent in your little green world. Whether you're working with a small yard or a spacious one, these creative and practical tips will help you turn it into your personal haven. Think of your backyard as an extension of your home, creating different areas for dining, relaxing, and gardening helps keep everything organized and visually appealing. You can define these zones using pathways, plants, or changes in flooring. A patio is a great place to start. Installing a simple stone or wooden patio creates a perfect foundation for outdoor furniture. It becomes your go. a spot for morning coffee or evening gatherings. Even a small paved corner with a couple of chairs can make a big difference. If you love plants, raised garden beds offer both beauty and function. They're easy to manage and can bring structure to your garden. Use wood, brick, or metal containers for a neat, modern look. Mix flowers, herbs, and vegetables for a vibrant, useful space. Lighting can completely change how your backyard feels at night. Use string lights, lanterns, or solar-powered path lights to create a cozy, welcoming atmosphere. Lighting also adds safety and highlights your favorite features. For a touch of peace and serenity, consider adding a water feature. A small fountain or pond brings a calming sound and attracts birds and butterflies. Even a dewey bubbling pot can add that soothing element to your space. Privacy is key in any backyard. If you have close neighbors, use tall plants, trellises with climbing vines, or wooden panels to create a sense of seclusion. Not only do they shield your space, but they also add texture and greenery. Outdoor furniture doesn't have to be expensive. Repurpose old chairs, use weather-resistant cushions, and throw in some colorful rugs to make the area feel cozy. Add a few potted plants around your seating area to tie everything together. If you love entertaining, an outdoor kitchen or grill area is worth investing in. A simple built-in grill or a movable cart with a prep table can make cooking outside easy and fun. Add a small dining table nearby, and you're ready for summer nights. Don't forget your lawn. Whether you choose grass, artificial turf, or gravel, keep it clean and defined. Curved edges and borders using stones or bricks give it a polished look. Even small patches of green can make the space feel fresh and lively. Add personality with garden art. Sculptures, stepping stones, painted pots, or wind chimes can reflect your style and create visual interest. Just a few decorative pieces can turn a plain yard into something special. Whether you have a large backyard or a small balcony, these tips will help you bring charm, comfort, and personality to your garden. Don't be afraid to repurpose old items. Vintage chairs, watering cans, and crates can become unique planters or charming display pieces. Add pops of color with flowers, outdoor cushions, or painted pots. A touch of vibrant color can bring your garden to life and reflect your personal style. Hanging planters or vertical gardens also add dimension and are great for small spaces. For a cozy evening vibe, lighting is key. String lights, lanterns, or solar garden stakes can create a magical glow. Finally, personalize your garden with small details like garden signs, wind chimes, or dewey craft. Don't forget to subscribe to Trend Secrets and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Thanks for watching.